Today I am going to talking about the topic that is how to calculate the degree of freedom for the planar mechanism. Degree of freedom for the planar mechanism can be calculated by using of the Grabler criteria, and the criteria is what f is equal to 3 times of L minus 1 minus 2j minus z2, where f stand for the degree of freedom our mobility we have called that we are actually calculating, and L is a number of links, J is a joint of with degree of 1 degree of freedoms, and J2 number of joints with 2 degree of freedoms. Let us take an example. This is example we have taken for a frame, and we have seen that is the number of links are there 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and this is the sliding pair also 8 number of links are there, and binary joints are b1, and that is b1 is here, binary joints b1. I'm sorry, this is not the b1, but b1 is here. This is the binary joint b1, b2, b3, b4, b5, b6, b7, and b8. So that is the total number of the binary joints are 8. Binary joint is basically what if two links are joined in the same direction. If two links are joined, like this is the links are joined in the same direction, that is called the binary joint. Ternary joints, when the three links are joined in a row, that is the ternary joint. So this is that, here is the ternary joint, this is we are called the ternary joint. And if you've seen the one very interesting things to calculate, out of the 8 binary joints we have seen, what we have seen out of 8 binary remaining uh, seen, one is sliding pair, one is sliding pair that you have seen here is a sliding pair, one is a sliding pair, and remaining 7 are the ternary joint. Remaining 7 are the ternary joint, and therefore ternary joint जो होगा ternary joint have two turning pair so total two turning pairs and one sliding pair, and so we have called the what is here, and so the value of J1 is equal to 9 plus 2 ternary joint plus 1 sliding pair, that is 10, and J2 2 degree of freedoms are not there, so that is a 0. And now we are calculating the degree of freedom. F is equal to 3 times of L link, number of links, that is the formula, 3 times of L minus 1 minus 2 J1 minus Z2, 2 times of so links is what 8 minus 1, and minus 2 times of joint 1 is what that is a 10, and minus में Z2 is was 0, and if we are calculating this 7 21 minus 20, that is 1. So 1 is a degree of freedom कितनी है इसकी 1. So this is the degree of freedom. So that is 1 is a degree of freedoms. Now I am talking about one of the very interesting things, and what is that, if the degree of freedoms is f is equal to 0, this is for perfect frame, ये फ्रेम के लिए होती है, एंड f की वैल्यू अगर लेस देन 0 होती है रिडंडेंट फ्रेम, अगर ये लेस देन 0 होता है तो रिडंडेंट फ्रेम होता है, एंड अब इफ f इज ग्रेटर देन 0 तो ये होता है कांस्टेंट फ्रेम, और हम इसे कह सकते हैं अनकॉन्स्टेंट फ्रेम, constant and unconstant frame. So that is the topic of the degree of freedoms. I hope you have understand the topic.